Sound is everything in a Bentley, and for the Torcal, Bentley's all-new car, it's more important than ever. Being in one of our vehicles is like listening to a grand orchestral performance. Immersive, emotional. We listened to our V8 lineage across the decades, and we realized the essential element is rhythm. Mechanical engines produce sound with imperfections, natural variations. That's what makes them captivating. We explored drums, same emotional quality, same acoustic patterns. There's slight imperfection in a human performance. We set up parabolic speakers, V8 on one side, live drummer on the other. Walking between them, you feel it, the same emotion. From there, we worked with world-renowned musicians and real instruments to craft an entirely new sound. Responsive, visceral. The all-new Bentley Torcal.